Some are running, others have been sitting for years. Here are 15 affordable classics that might surprise you. Number 1. 1973 Chrysler New Yorker, $2,000, Winter County, Wisconsin. This 1973 Chrysler New Yorker is listed for $2,000 in Winter County, Wisconsin with 93,000 miles and an automatic transmission. The car runs and moves forward and backward around the yard, but it currently has no brakes and is not roadworthy. The seller says most of the underside is in decent condition. The main structural concern is the driver's side frame and engine cradle, which has significant rust and would need repair or replacement. The seller can load it onto a trailer with a skid steer. For someone looking for a large 1970s Chrysler project, this one will require some serious work before returning to the road. Number 2. 1973 Volkswagen Bradley GT Beetle, $1,000, Parkersburg, West Virginia. Listed at $1,000 in Parkersburg, West Virginia, this Bradley GT project is based on a Volkswagen Beetle chassis and comes with a matching title. It has 117,000 miles listed and a manual transmission. The seller describes the chassis and floor plan as decent, but there is no engine included. An engine was temporarily installed to move and demonstrate the car, but it is not part of the sale. The car also needs wiring work and has some corrosion around the front beam and shock tower area. 4 Traeger SS wheels with good tires and the plexiglass are included. Number 3. 1968 Dodge Polara, $2,800, Columbia SC. This 1968 Dodge Polara is offered for $2,800 in Columbia, South Carolina. It has 106,800 miles, an automatic transmission, and a 318 engine with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. The seller has already replaced several components, including the fuel tank, sending unit, fuel pump, alternator, plugs, wires, and coolant hoses. The trunk has also been treated with POR 15, and the car comes with a clear South Carolina title. It still needs rear freeze plugs and attention to the carburetor. Overall, it is a running-era Mopar project with some useful mechanical work already completed. Number 4. 1978 Chevrolet Impala Wagon, $3,000, Indianapolis, IN. This 1978 Chevrolet Impala wagon is listed for $3,000 in Indianapolis, Indiana. It has 99,000 miles and uses a small block 305 with a TH350 automatic transmission. The seller says it runs and drives very well, while the body and frame are described as solid. The wagon also has factory air conditioning, working power windows, and a functional rear tailgate. The floors are said to be in good condition with only a small rust spot at the bottom of the driver's side quarter panel. It originally had the optional third-row seat, although that seat is no longer included. Number 5. 1978 Buick Regal Custom, $3,000, Des Moines, Iowa. Listed at $3,000 in Des Moines, Iowa, this 1978 Buick Regal has 91,551 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a built 350 V8 Holley carburetor, headers, B&M shifter, posse rear end, adjustable air shocks, gauges, electric fans, and a fuel cell. The seller says the car runs well and has plenty of power. It was reportedly used as a grudge car, although the seller never personally saw it race. The car is described as a solid older vehicle, but the listing indicates the seller is moving on because of other projects. Number 6. 1967 Chevrolet Impala Fastback, $3,000, Rockmart, Georgia. This 1967 Chevrolet Impala two-door fastback is priced at $3,000 in Rockmart, Georgia. It has a 327 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and Powerglide automatic transmission.
The car runs and moves under its own power, but it is not currently roadworthy. The body is described straight, with a solid frame, while the missing windshield and rear glass will need attention. Floor pans and sections of the trunk also require repair, and some interior pieces are missing. The car comes with 2 extra doors and a bill of sale, but it will need to be hauled.
Number 7. 1972 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE, $3,000, Lake Villa, Illinois. This 1972 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE is offered for $3,000 in Lake Villa, Illinois. It has 120,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a rebuilt engine documented from 2018. The seller says the car runs and drives with solid floors and some rust on the body. The car retains its trim and bumpers along with a collection of older and newer parts. The body is described as roughly 7 out of 10, while additional retro wheels can be included for a higher price. On the original wheels, the asking price is $3,000. Number 8. 1970 Buick Riviera, $2,500, Mason WV. This 1970 Buick Riviera is listed for $2,500 in Mason, West Virginia. It retains its original Buick 455, factory rated at 360 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. According to the seller, the drivetrain is good, but the car has been sitting since a carburetor fire last year. The Riviera will need attention before returning to the road, including brake work and repairs related to the carburetor incident. The seller personally drove it approximately 8,000 miles, including 2 long-distance trips, and says it has been driven and used extensively in the past. A clear West Virginia title is included. Number 9. 1966 Chevrolet Corvair, $2,800, Lafayette, Georgia. This 1966 Chevrolet Corvair is listed for $2,800 in Lafayette, Georgia. The seller describes it as a small project car that was reportedly running the previous year. It was acquired from an older owner and is said to be in fairly decent condition for its age. Rust is described as minimal, which is notable for a car from the mid-1960s. However, there is not much mechanical information available beyond the claim that it ran last year, so its current running condition should be verified. The listing does not provide details about the engine, transmission, or interior condition. That leaves some important questions for anyone considering the car as a restoration project. At $2,800, this Corvair sits toward the higher end of this collection. Its relatively limited rust could make it worth a closer look for someone specifically interested in the Corvair platform. Number 10. 1979 AMC Concord, $3,000, in Bowersville, Georgia, with 86,543 miles and an automatic transmission. The seller says it runs well and has a clean interior along with a Bluetooth stereo. The car has also received new brakes and tires. Factory air conditioning is present, although the compressor needs to be replaced before the system can be fully functional. With 2 owners listed, this Concord has some history behind it. The seller is also open to trades of similar value, although the listing does not indicate that a trade is required. For an older AMC sedan, the combination of running condition, newer brakes and tires, and a clean interior makes this one different from the more involved projects on the list. The asking price is $3,000. Number 11. 1968 Pontiac Firebird, $2,850, Canby, Indiana. Listed at $2,850 in Canby, Indiana, this 1968 Pontiac Firebird is a non-running and non-driving project. It has a base 352-barrel V8 with an automatic transmission and is described as very original and complete. The seller makes it clear that the car needs an extensive restoration. It will need to be completely disassembled, repaired, and rebuilt before returning to the road, with significant rust repair work involved. The car does come with its title, which is an important part of the project. However, the seller estimates that a comprehensive restoration could require a substantial investment beyond the purchase price. At $2,850, this Firebird best suits an experienced restorer looking for a long-term project rather than someone searching for a quick weekend driver. Number 12. 1971 Mustang Mach 1, $3,000, Bay City, Michigan. This 1971 Mustang Mach 1 is listed for $3,000 in Bay City, Michigan. It has approximately 85,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a 351 Cleveland V8 paired with an FMX transmission. The seller describes the Mustang as all original, with red exterior paint and vermilion red interior. The car reportedly has a particularly uncommon color combination, with only 43 examples said to have been produced in that combination. It is a Florida car that has been sitting for 4 years or more. The seller says it should run, but it is being offered as a project rather than as a currently road-ready vehicle. At $3,000, this Mach 1 stands out because of its original configuration and 351 Cleveland engine. Its long period of storage means the mechanical condition will still need to be checked carefully. Number 13. 1977 Datsun 620 King Cab, $1,150, Atlanta, Georgia. This 1977 Datsun 620 King Cab is offered for $1,150 in Atlanta, Georgia. It has 104,248 miles, a manual transmission, and a 4-cylinder gasoline engine. The truck currently does not run because the carburetor has been removed. The seller says it has previously run on storting fluid and plans to work toward getting it running again. Included with the truck are a new Weber 3236 Redline carburetor, original wheels, spare wheels with good tires, a complete exhaust, wiring harness, and other parts. The truck does not have a title, but the seller will provide a bill of sale. It was being considered for restoration before storage costs increased, leading to the decision to sell. At $1,150, this Datsun offers a relatively inexpensive entry into an older compact pickup project. Its final value will depend heavily on getting the engine running and completing the remaining mechanical work. Number 14. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, $2,800 in Westport, Kentucky. This 1979 Pontiac Trans Am is listed for $2,800 in Westport, Kentucky. The seller says it retains its original engine and transmission and that the car does run. The major project mentioned in the listing is the floor structure, which needs floor pans welded in. That means the car will require body and structural work before it can be considered fully road-ready. The listing also identifies it as a Bandit-style car, although no further details about its originality or specific factory equipment are provided. The current mechanical running condition is one of the more positive points in the advertisement. At $2,800, this Trans Am could be an interesting project for someone comfortable with welding and restoration work.
The floor repairs should be evaluated carefully before considering the car.
Number 15. 1978 Ford Courier, $850. Gladwin, Michigan. Closing out this group is a 1978 Ford Courier, priced at just $850 in Gladwin, Michigan. It has approximately 100,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a 2.3-liter engine. The seller describes the truck as an overall solid example. The Courier does run and drive under its own power, but the brakes are currently not working and the tires need to be replaced. The truck had also been sitting for a long period, so additional age-related work may be expected. The seller says the engine runs well, the transmission shifts properly, and the clutch feels good. Some smaller parts will also need replacement, but the truck retains an older patina that fits its vintage character. At $850 or best offer, this is one of the least expensive running projects in the collection. It could be an interesting starting point for someone looking for an uncommon small vintage pickup. That wraps up these 15 classic car finds. Some are ready to drive, while others need serious restoration. Which one would you take on as your next project? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.